In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide formulas in a Google Sheets spreadsheet so you can protect your work and easily share sheets without worry. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply want to maintain some privacy over your data calculations, learning how to conceivably protect your data is a useful skill. Let's dive into the process of hiding those formulas now. First, it's important to understand why you might want to hide formulas. When sharing spreadsheets, you might have sensitive calculations that you don't want to be visible to others due to confidentiality or simply to maintain the integrity of your data. Keeping formulas hidden can make your spreadsheet appear cleaner and more user-friendly, particularly for those only interested in the results or output. All right, let's get started with Google Sheets. First, open up your Google Sheets document that contains the formulas you wish to hide. Select the entire sheet by clicking on the top left corner that intersects between the rows and columns. Click once, and you'll notice the entire sheet becomes highlighted. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on Data, then select Protect Sheets and Ranges from the drop-down menu. This action opens up a new sidebar on the right side of your screen, where you'll manage the settings tied to hiding formulas and protecting your spreadsheet. In the Protected Sheets and Ranges sidebar, begin by giving this range a meaningful name to remind you why it's protected. Naming it something like Protected Formulas can be helpful, especially if you have multiple sheets or protected ranges. Once named, click on the blue button that says Set Permissions. You'll then encounter a pop-up where you can configure who can edit this range or sheet. Choose the option to only allow yourself or select particular collaborators who need access to edit it. This ensures only specific individuals can see or modify the formulas. After selecting, click Done, and you'll notice a small icon appears on the Sheet tab to indicate that the sheet is now protected. Now, to effectively hide the formulas from users, go back to the spreadsheet and right-click on the cell or range of cells where the formulas reside. Choose Hide Formula if this feature is available. If not, you'll need to protect the entire cell from editing by unauthorized users following the steps I just shared. Finally, communication is key in a collaborative environment. Make sure to inform anyone sharing the spreadsheet about which areas are protected and guide them on accessing permitted areas. It's good practice to maintain transparency on why formulas are hidden, allowing for clear understanding among team members. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the formulas in your Google Sheet.